Understanding simple machines. Essentials for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're exploring an interesting topic in physics and everyday life: simple machines. These are basic mechanical devices that can make our work easier. Let's dive into what they are and why they're important. Simple machines are fundamental devices that change the direction or magnitude of a force. They are the building blocks of more complex machinery. There are 6 types of simple machines: lever, wheel and axle, pulley, inclined plane, wedge, and screw. Each of these machines either helps lift heavy objects, move things more easily, or hold objects together. A lever is a rigid bar that rotates around a fixed point called the fulcrum. It is used to lift or move loads with less effort. The classic example is a seesaw. By applying force at one end, you can lift a load at the other end. The position of the fulcrum determines how much effort is needed. Simple machines are all around us. Scissors are a combination of levers, the handles, and wedges, the blades. A ramp is an inclined plane that helps move heavy objects to a higher or lower surface without lifting them straight up. By identifying these machines in everyday life, we can better understand their practical applications. We hope this video has helped you understand simple machines and their significance in both physics and daily life. These concepts are not just theoretical. They are practical tools that make our work easier. Keep exploring and you'll find simple machines everywhere you look. Thanks for watching and happy learning!